Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to turn on Always On Display option on this device. So just to activate AD option, we should open first the settings application and then scroll down to the display and brightness. Here you'll see the Always On Display section. Just tap on it, and to activate AD option, just click on the switcher. Now the Always On Display option successfully enabled, so let's just lock the device and we could see that we just successfully activated the AD option on our iPhone 15 Pro. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.